Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and this is my winners, all the winners. So I'm sorry if I look a bit dishevelled. Firstly, my t-shirts are getting big because I'm losing some weight, and secondly, it's really hot at the moment in the country. It's ridiculous. It's supposed to be cooler today, but it's not, and it's because I think that there's not the breeze. So although they say it's cooler, doesn't really feel very much cooler. So anyway, this is winners, all the winners. So I have a couple of things to tell you. So I'm going on my little holiday soon, and there'll be a bit of disruption, I think, to my usual videos. So whether that will affect winners, all the winners, yeah, I don't know. So but if it does, then rest assured I will still be doing them. They just might not be on the Saturdays. Um, I'm okay for now because, we're not going yet, but I've got lots to do. And also, I've got to look after Harley for a weekend as well. So there could be a little bit of disruption to my normal kind of schedule, although Ah, I hate the word schedule, as you lot well know if you watch me regularly. Schedule means ugh to me. I don't do schedule. Makes too much like rules. I'm not very good at following rules. So yeah. So the last chance yarns, there was some absolutely gorgeous yarn cakes in the last lot. And I have a bit of an apology to make to all my um existing customers who have ordered from me before. Normally, when I do a last chance yarn, I drop the price and then I email everybody pictures of it and everything else and give them first dibs. Well, I thought I'd done that email and I hadn't done it. So it's done, the video's up, the prices are low, but I didn't do the email and I do apologize to you all. I actually made it, but I didn't do the thing and I forgot all about that. All I can say is that the heat has fried my brain. It has been, although it's only spring, we've had scorchers, 34 degrees some days or more. And yeah, so and it's not like a gradual kind of thing. It's like bam, there you go, just all swelter. There's no build up. That's the word. Other countries get a nice little build up to being hot. Not me, not the UK. It's like we just have this surprise heat wave, and yeah. So sorry about that. I normally do that, as you well know. Let me think. Have I got any other announcements to make? Um, There also could be I mean, I do apologise as well that I haven't done as many of my chats. So if you're not familiar with my chats, it's called Have a Yarn with Tracy, and sometimes there's plays with the titles, but that's usually in there somewhere. And I do a morning chat. I film it on the night day before, really, like afternoon, late afternoon, early evening, and then it goes out the following morning. But there's been a couple of disruptions. One was the sad passing of somebody that really did kind of, get to me a little bit. So I didn't make one. And the time before, well, you know, I just had a couple of disruptions to it, but they are back to normal. So firstly, sorry if you did see that I wasn't there, and I tried my best to put up community posts, but I know not everybody rather gets the community posts, but normal service has been resumed. So that's all good. But there might be, like, as I say, a few disruptions coming up when I'm away. But usually when I'm away, I film out and about and stuff while I'm gone. So, that's usually all good. Okay. So let's get on with winners, all the winners. Sunday Funday was for the Starcraft Horizon in the blue. Oh, God, I'm really close up. I didn't really notice it until I put my glasses on. So it's a bit remind me a little bit of Bag of Days yarn. That kind of thing. That's how it kind of, it's not the same. Hers is so soft and vibrant, but the the Starcraft Horizon is gorgeous. I do have it in my shop. It's really, really nice. And it was one, are we ready for, by Mac Diaz S4B. So well done to you, Mac. In the description box, you'll find my email address. If you can send me your address, I'll get that sent off to you. Hump Day was for some party time yarn. Crochet Knitter V7V won that. Well done to you. So both of these that I chose by the random comment picker and did all the checks, make sure the person's a subscriber, answered the questions, give me the phrase that pays. And both times I got one the first time, which is unusual. But I do have some last calls to make as well. So last call for the Sunday Funday of last week. It was for the Denim yarn, which is a King Cole, very, very crazy soft yarn. It's beautiful. That was won by Sally Everett. So last call for Sally. If Sally doesn't come forward this week, next week I'll choose again and there'll be another winner of that yarn. And again, last call for the Hump Day yarn, which was that colour vibe in the blues and greens. And that was won by Louie. Louie is always on my channel. So must have just missed one of the winners or the winners there, Louie. So if you don't get in touch and claim your prizes by this time next week, I'll choose another one. So please get in touch, you two. And good luck to everybody for my new giveaways. So also I want to say a little sorry to Kathy, who won my members only. I haven't posted that off yet. I will do as soon as I possibly can, but I kind of, when I did my orders, I kind of forgot it. Sometimes I write it on the orders in bold and I can remember, but this time around, with all that's been going on, I kind of forgot to do that. And so when it come to parceling it all up and taking it to the post office, I did actually forget. But I will sort that out. I do apologise, Kathy, and that will be coming to you. So that was my members only giveaway. So I'm going to record another members only giveaway very, very soon. And I'm not going to give you the prize. That will be top secret for my members. Yes, I know. So that's it this time around. Thank you so much for everything that you guys do for me. I truly do appreciate it. All of the watch time and everything, and watching my tutorials. And I've noticed recently that some of my older tutorials have been getting lots of comments, and so that's really good. I've been working hard behind the scenes to actually do some things with them and get them a bit more pushed out, and it seems to be working, so that's all good. So thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay, take care. Bye for now.